Hello and welcome to Foldable Flight. My name is Kyle and this is where I teach you how to fold paper airplanes that will blow your mind. In this video I'm teaching you how to fold Emperion One, which is a really simple glider, but it flies very well. You can see on the bottom the layers lock together and that helps it to fly in a really streamlined fashion. And you can see it looks pretty plain, but if you support me on Patreon, you can get this downloadable and printable template that really adds a ton to the aesthetic. You can see, because it looked so simple before, it's quite a transformation. And I really have to thank Robbie, my cousin, for helping me to design this one. I think it turned out exceptionally well. So I'm really pleased with that. Thank you, Robbie. You're awesome. Let's see it in flight. All you will need in order to fold Emperion One is an 8.5 by 11 inch sheet of paper. And as we often do, we'll begin by folding the right edge to the left edge. Now, while we have the paper folded like this, we're going to take this raw edge and fold our top edge here to this right folded edge, making a triangle. We'll flip it over and do the same on this side, now taking this edge here to the left side. And then we'll open it up like so. Next, we want to take this top point and fold it somewhere down here, and I'll show you how you determine how far down to fold it. We're now looking at this diagonal right here, and we want the length of that diagonal to be a little more than an inch, and you can see I have an inch by inch grid that helps me estimate, but really anything close to an inch will be fine. It will make a slight difference in the shape of the plane, but really this has a large tolerance and your plane will fly fine even if it's not exactly as I make mine here. So once we've done that, we'll open that back up and actually unfold these as well. And now we want to take this horizontal crease and fold it so that the crease extends all the way to the edges. And now we want to reverse this crease here. So I'm just going to pin down the left side with my finger here and open this right side using this crease here as a hinge. Just like that. And it's really pretty easy as long as you hold the one side down. And now you can see I have this section here that is not flat. I'm going to just flatten it so that this crease here lands right on this edge here. Okay, next we'll just do that same step on the other side. So I'm going to hold down this right edge, reverse this crease here, and collapse this section so this crease lands on this edge. And there you go, your plane should look like this. Next, I want to make a 45-degree angle crease, starting from this intersection here where this horizontal crease intersects our center point. And I'm going to fold it so that this crease here is landing on the center, and that'll become really easy to see as I do this. So you can see this section crosses the center, and this right here lands on our center crease, and I'll crease right like that. And then I'll open that back up, and now I want to take this little flap and fold it like so, so that the edge lands on that horizontal crease. Okay, and I'll repeat those steps on the left side. open that back up and crease here. And now I'll fold the right side in. And I'm going to fold this left side in, and you can see this flap here is overlapping the right side. Well, as I fold that in, I want to tuck that flap into the pocket on the right side, just like so, and collapse it so it looks like this. And now we are almost done. And that's what locks the plane together so it holds its shape in flight. Now we're just going to fold the plane like this on the existing center crease. And we will fold our wings. So you want the wing crease to start just above the nose, right about here. And when you crease it, you want to land this side of your wing on this point here. So you can see as I kind of swing it, this triangle right here disappears, and right when it's gone, that's where I want my wing to land. And then I'll flip it over. And this time, I just want to fold to match my other wing. If, for instance, your plane does not intersect, the wing does not intersect this corner perfectly, you want this wing to match your other wing rather than to try to aim for that corner this time. Okay, so now we'll open our wings up, and you can see the plane is finished. All that's left to do is make sure that we set our wings at the right angle. And you can see you want the wings to angle upward just slightly, even when you let go of the plane. That's called dihedral angle, and it will help your plane to fly straight. Let me know in the comments if you had trouble with any steps, and let me know how far you get Emperion One to fly for you. Be sure to subscribe for more awesome paper airplane content by clicking on my channel icon in the top right corner. Or check out another one of my videos here. And if you really like what I do, head over to foldableflight.com or patreon.com/foldableflight. And as always, thank you for watching.